From school classrooms to living rooms across New York City, our mission is to amplify untold stories and create space for healing, leadership, and transformation, one voice at a time. Welcome to The Art of Storytelling, a media education initiative that empowers individuals to find their voice, craft their narrative, and share their truth through the power of podcasting and digital storytelling. Reach out to us today at Coleman Global.
My name is Joanna. Welcome to our podcast where we're going to be talking about our interests and hobbies and what we like to do like on our free time and whatnot. Joining me today, I have 3 of my high school friends.
Hey, my name is Evelyn and I go to Fordham Leadership.
Hi, I'm Jada. I go to Celia Cruz Bronx High School of Music.
Hi, my name is Katrin. I go to Bronx High School for Long Community Service.
What do you usually like to do on your free time?
Usually on my free time is whether I go out on walks or I be helping my mom out or taking care of my brother.
So you like going out for walks? Do you like enjoy like being outside and like nature and things like that, or?
Yes, I'm more of a outside person. I like walking in nature, looking around. I feel like it's very interesting and it's a way to feel peaceful and relax.
What I do on my free time, I do read and listen to some music because it just makes you feel calm all the time.
For me, I'm mostly outside. I'm a mostly outgoing person. But if I'm not outside, I'm mostly home, hearing music or just doing things that I like doing, which is sleeping, helping with my mom, like to cook. And also just if I have like during school, I just do my work. So I'm very on top of my academics a lot. Always try to maintain my grades good. So that's what I mostly do all the time.
Yeah, Jada and Katrin, you guys mentioned you guys listen to music. What kind of music do you guys like listen to? Like what bands or songs are you like?
Okay. See, I don't listen to bands that much because I only listen to this one artist, and that's Chris Brown, R&B. I love his music. It helps me a lot. And it's crazy because I'm going to his concert next month in Jersey.
Really?
Yes, I'm getting my opportunity to meet him.
You're excited for the concert? Have you ever been to a concert, or is this going to be your first concert?
No, this is my first ever concert. This is exciting for me. This is my favorite singer too. So I sing his songs and everything.
For me, I'm mostly into everything. Music really helps me a lot. Like I usually do everything with music, whatever I'm doing. I always have to hear music in the background. I listen to a lot of artists, like Billie Eilish is a very famous one. I love her music. There's another singer, Cooney Gray. He does a lot of music. I love his music. Chris Brown is also good. I love Chris Brown. You can never go wrong with Chris Brown. So
Yeah.
I feel like everyone has different interests, but we can all know that music is like what keeps us together because music really helps us with challenges in our lives, with anything. So I feel like music is a very good thing for us to hear and to do.
And especially because people, probably like they're upset or their mental state is not good. They could just listen to music and be like, yeah, I don't have to be in everything.
Yeah, music can be used like as a coping mechanism. Yeah, Evelyn, do you listen to any type of music, or you're not really a music person?
Usually my mom plays music, so I hear her music, but that's technically it. I don't like listening to music. It's not like really my type.
Yeah.
And that's okay. Not everybody would have a type for music. They would like hear somebody else listening to it, or maybe at a party or something. But they don't always have to listen to it.
Yeah, everyone has their own different methods to help them with like anything. So it could be music, it could be going outside, it could just be with hanging out with friends or even family, even cooking with them. That will help them. That's something that they enjoy more than music or anything. So that's like we all have different things that can help us. So that's good.
Yeah, I heard that music can be used as a coping mechanism for a lot of like kind of like mental like disorders and like things like that. I personally deal with anxiety, and like listening to some of like my favorite bands like AC/DC, John Bon Jovi, Nirvana, and things like that really like helps me like calm down like my nerves, especially like whenever like I'm like over like stressed or anxious. And that like concludes our like podcast of our interest and how that could like help us like and things like that.